Hey there, budget enthusiasts. If you're diving into the world of YNAB, that's you need a budget, and wondering how to handle your credit cards like a pro, you're in the right place. Today, we're breaking down the essentials of managing credit cards in YNAB, so you can stay on top of your finances without the stress. Let's jump right in. First off, why bother with credit cards in YNAB? Well, credit cards can be powerful tools for building credit and earning rewards, but they can also lead to debt if not managed properly. YNAB helps by giving you a clear picture of your spending and ensuring you're only using money you already have. Step 1. Get your credit cards set up. Log into your YNAB account and link your credit card accounts. This allows transactions to import automatically, so you don't have to manually enter every purchase. It's a real-time saver. Next, assign money to your credit card categories. In YNAB, every dollar has a job, so budget for things like groceries or entertainment before you swipe. This way, you're not overspending and can cover your card balances easily. Now, keep an eye on your transactions. YNAB makes it simple to categorize and approve imports, helping you spot any unauthorized charges or mistakes right away. Make reconciling your accounts a weekly habit to stay accurate. Don't forget about payments. In your budget, allocate funds specifically for paying off your credit cards. YNAB will show you if you're on track or if you need to adjust other categories to cover the minimum payments or full balances. Finally, use YNAB's reports and insights to track your progress. See how much you're spending on credit versus debit, and identify areas where you can cut back to build better habits. There you have it. Managing credit cards in YNAB is all about planning ahead and staying accountable. Give these tips a try, and you'll feel more confident with your finances. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more YNAB tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.